I've got Dougie J here with 2 boxes of the brand new 2013 Upper Deck Goodwin Champions, live here on Blowout TV. This is our first look at this product. Alright, let's see what we got. Usually have some very cool looking relics. And on-card autographs. Alright, let's see what we got. A Wayne Gretzky mini there. Check out this relic, Animal Kingdom, the Wild Yak.
What's the number on the back?
That one is AK-266.
That's a short print.
Nice.
Anything over 250 short print.
SP.
I love it. That's awesome.
Michael Campbell, that's pretty cool. Haven't heard from him since he won the US Open a couple years back, though. Jim Rice mini. Matt Davidson mini. Eagle Nebula, Wonders of the Universe. Bud Cauley, young and upcoming star on the PGA Tour.
I'm good, thank you very much. On the road and like, let's check it out. Is there anything specific you guys are looking for?
This is interesting here. The Fate of the Human Race.
Sealed boosters and packs. We will have the 2014
Alien Invasion.
Friday, but we don't really do too much in the way of singles.
What about Pokemon?
Pokemon, we usually don't charge too much. Well, we have a lot on our website. Grab the card for it.
Wonders of the Universe. Ghost Head Nebula.
I'm looking more for like older stuff.
That's our site at the bottom. Everything that we have in stock is on there. If it says product in
Kenny Lofton mini.
add it in stock, it's the price we do. Anything that we have on the website, we can have it in the store for you next week. All you gotta do is contact us on the website. You can simply just click it, send them an email, let them know what you want, we can have it in the store.
Wonders of the Universe. Karina Nebula, Star Birth.
The gaming stuff. Magic's the only one we have a decent amount of stuff.
What do we do with the price range? Like going like the retail price?
Rory McIlroy posted a big number today. Round 1 of the British Open. Gary Player. Geno Smith mini. It's pretty cool.
From the doctors, I mean, all the time we have stuff, they tell you that, you're paying
Milky Way Galaxy.
we go through our stuff every Tuesday. We should probably the best prices you'll find.
Sean Bradley. Haley's Comet.
On those things, the 120, the 215, is that $215?
Yeah, everything's dollar.
There we go. Tim Tebow.
I'm not sure what this is.
The jersey piece there. Extra thick cardstock. First I thought that was a patch card. Looks like just a single jersey though. Manti Te'o. Muggsy Bogues. Clinton Dempsey mini.
I don't know too much, so.
And autograph. Nice Jim Abbott. One of my favorite pitchers growing up.
I'm assuming they'll probably be the same price range as 12, 13.
And our last pack, box 1.
Do you guys have any singles or no?
Aaron Rodgers riding a bike.
Me and Matt are the only people that work at the store, and we're both sports cards guys.
Right. Box number 2. These cards are really, really cool. I like this product a lot. Very different. I like different stuff like this.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, guys. Thanks for stopping in.
Connie Hawkins mini.
Have a good day. Yeah.
You too.
Another shot.
Nice. Mark McGuire green border mini. Oh, I like that one. Chichi Rodriguez.
Chai Rodriguez.
Nice little pinstripe there off the shirt. That actually might be Chichi Rodriguez's first memorabilia piece. I don't know if he ever had anything in Upper Deck, SB Gamers, or SB Authentic. Another Wonders of the Universe. Rory McIlroy, Dan Marino, green border mini. Look at LeBron James cheesing it up there. Wonders of the Universe. Tiger Woods, Tony Dorsett mini. Ernie Els, defending British Open champ. Ray Allen mini. The 9-foot Sean Bradley. Mystic Mountain, Wonders of the Universe. Daryl Strawberry mini. And we got an autograph. Ooh, very nice. Mark Messier. That is sweet. Excellent hit right there. Isaiah Thomas in a fur coat. Anderson Silva. Cartwheel Galaxy. And nice, Tim Howard memorabilia piece. Go Team USA. And finish up with a Bobby Bundy mini. Alright, pretty awesome 2-box break. Appreciate it, and I will get it right out to you.